In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with others in a shared list in TickTick. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share a list with teammates, keep track of your invitations, and use an invite link when you need a faster way to bring people in. Start by opening TickTick. Once you're in the app, head to your sidebar and look for the section that organizes your content. Click on Lists. This is your hub for everything you've created, and it's the easiest place to choose the specific list you want to collaborate on. Select the list you want to share, then open its options by clicking the three dots. This menu holds all the key controls for that list. From here, choose Share. That opens the sharing panel where you'll add people and manage how others join your list. In the sharing panel, type the email address or name of the person you want to invite. Keep it accurate to make sure the invite goes to the right account. If the person already uses TickTick, entering the email they use there typically speeds up acceptance and avoids confusion. You can add multiple people one after another if needed. When you're ready, send the invitation by clicking the invite icon on the right. This confirms your choice and dispatches the invite. The person you invited will receive a notification or email from TickTick, and once they accept, they'll see the list alongside their own. Below the invite field, you'll find recent invites. This area is useful for visibility. It shows who you've invited and helps you keep track of pending and accepted invitations. If you're coordinating with a group, a quick glance here lets you see progress without leaving the sharing panel. You'll also see a section for shared lists. This is where TickTick groups all lists that involve collaboration. It's a helpful overview for staying organized as your shared projects grow, and it makes it easy to switch between personal lists and those you're working on with others. If you want a quicker way for people to join, click Enable Invite Link. This generates a shareable link that anyone with the link can use to access the list. It's great for larger groups or when you don't have everyone's email on hand. Be mindful of where you share the link since anyone who has it can request access. That's it. You've opened the list, used the share controls, invited collaborators, reviewed recent invites, checked shared lists, and enabled an invite link when needed. This simple setup makes it easy to coordinate tasks and stay aligned in TickTick.